Jobman is cloud-based software, so be sure to bookmark the link for easy access. And Jobman's user-friendly interface makes navigating simple and efficient. The dashboard view is a snapshot of your workload using real-time data. The colored indicators make managing your time more efficient by highlighting tasks that require attention. Your staff profile provides quick and easy access to update your details, change your password, log your times on your timesheet, or view your tasks. The user menu panel includes a bell notification where you will receive all information that is relevant to you. All the information you need to configure your Jobman software is located under the Settings tab on the User menu panel. Navigate to General Settings and set your time zone, add your website's URL, or add your organization's logo. Setting public holidays in Jobman is an easy process. Using the drop-down menu, search for your country and then select your region. Want to maximize your screen's real estate? The collapsible user menu panel allows you to hide the menu when you don't need it and expand it when you do. Customize what you see on screen and set your views by status in Leads and Jobs. You can further configure your view by adding or removing details to viewing columns and adjusting column widths. In addition to the filters, use the search bar to find what you need. Jobman's navigation options are consistent throughout the software. Select New for options to create items relevant to the module, Update to make changes, and wherever the three dots appear, select for more options. And if the cursor changes to the hand icon, the item is clickable. Jobman allows you to have multiple tabs open. Simply right-click on your browser's tab and duplicate your screen. Help is always just a click away on the User menu panel. Simply type your question to search for what you need. Here is where you will also find some great tips and tricks to get you started. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest content.